Mangoes are quite trending this summer season. Let's make another recipe with our king of fruit. Hi friends, today I'm going to make mango pickles for you. I'm cleaning this mango for the second time here because they need to be washed properly. Let it dry before we start slicing it into medium-sized cubes. Yellowness of the raw mango is okay if it is in the early stage of ripening. I have taken 2 kg mangoes for this recipe. Let's find out how much it weighs after removing its seeds. 1 kg 250 gram. Let's sprinkle salt 2 tablespoons and turmeric 1 tablespoon. Mix well and keep it covered overnight. It's next morning, time to check. This much water has been collected in my bowl, all coming out from mango pieces. Let's strain it out. Let's arrange all the mango pieces in a plate a few centimeters apart from each other. Next, I will be drying the mango pieces in the sun for 4 hours, but not more than that. It will increase the shelf life of our pickle. Meanwhile, I will be heating up the mustard oil. Time to stop and let it cool down as the smoke comes out. Next, I am going to heat up all the spices in a pan for 1 or 2 minutes just to make it moisture free. That's it. I am going to keep 1 teaspoon each of fennel seed, that is soft, black cumin, that is kalonji, and fenugreek seed, that is methi seed, in a separate bowl, which I am going to use it as whole. I am not keeping the spices in heat for long, so I have stopped the gas now. While the pan is still hot, I will be adding 1 teaspoon black mustard seed and 50 gram yellow mustard seed, followed by 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. Mix it properly. Now let's grind it coarsely. For achar, we don't need to grind it finely. A little bit of coarse and half split spices is okay. We will be heating up the other 3 spices as well for 2 minutes. These are the sun-dried cut mango pieces. Firm but not completely dried up. In another bowl, I will be adding salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and mustard oil. The oil, still warm, will sort of sterilize the uncooked ingredients. I will be adding ground spices to it and mix it. Let's add the mango pieces now. Mix it nice and proper. This will be followed by addition of the whole spices that we have kept aside. More and more mixing. Now let's keep it covered for 1 hour. It will help to soften the mango pieces a little. After 1 hour, let's transfer the pickle to a clean glass jar. Top it with mustard oil till it fills the whole jar. Pour more and more oil to the brim. The oil, spices and salt will act as natural preservatives. This way you can keep your pickle for a longer time, say 1 year or 2, by preventing fungus growth. I hope you will like my video and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.